Hello everybody! So this video is going to be the second part in my moving vlog thing that I'm doing. I thought just before I properly start moving everything in, I might give you a little house tour. So you come into the front door, we've got our garage just over here, and these are the stairs leading obviously upstairs. My room is just here off the hallway, and we come through to my did I say master? No, walk-in robe, which, oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. And then we come through to my bathroom, which is a bathroom. not anything too exciting in here. This door leads out onto the hallway again. I think we're going to try and get some, like a little hall table to put here, because it will fit perfectly, which is very exciting. Then we come into our like living, kitchen, dining area. It's very echoey in here. So this is everything in our kitchen, which is a bit of a mess, but it will look good shortly, I promise. And we've also got a walk-in pantry, which we're super excited about. I don't know whether it's showing up as well on camera, but it's actually very, very, very spacious in here. Did I just hear something? Okay, so I thought Katie might have been home, but she's not. Just going, I've lost my train now. But anyway, this is our laundry, which is kind of a bit annoying that it's in the hallway, but really, it's not that much of a big deal. I'm sure we'll be fine with that. So back into our hallway now. We come up the stairs, which we cleaned all of the railing and everything last night, so it's so much nicer now. And check out this super cool thing. So this makes us feel very fancy. Up the stairs. It's very dark up here. So just off the stairs we come into, oh, you can see me in the shower, our shared bathroom with this funky looking mirror that we really don't like, but we'll see what we do there. So this one has a bath, so obviously we can share this, which is really good because we both like our baths. And then this will be my second bedroom. So Katie and I are really lucky in this house that it's actually 4 bedrooms. So we both get a master each, which is perfect. And then we get a spare bedroom as well, which I'm so excited about. Change of plans. We've come to the shop because on Thursdays, it's Friday. On Fridays? Is it already?
Yeah, I keep thinking it's Thursday too though.
It's Friday, which means the shops are open late and we need to get some things.
It's Friday, Friday, gotta get So we're almost there, but it doesn't close properly. They're a bit wonky. We're not sure what we did. Send help.
It's officially moving day! Yee. I'm just cleaning up the last, well, not the last, I've still got so much to do, but just a bit more of my room, my old room. And then today we're moving things like the washing machine, the dryer, the fridge, like all the big stuff, the couch. So the house is going to actually look like a house. So I'm very excited. So I'm filming this on my phone at the moment because I don't even know where my vlog camera is. This is the state of my car. It's like past 7 o'clock. I think it's almost 8. Say hi to my video.
Hello. We're off.
We're off. Oh, How many loads do you reckon we've done today? How many trips?
This is our fourth.
4 trips of the big van. This is my first trip of my car today, but I'm exhausted. Moving is so tiring. I'm not doing this again. But I'm excited to get the table in and all my room stuff. The amount of times I said I'm never moving again yesterday, if I had $1 for every time I said it, moving is tough and it's still not completely done. I was really lucky that I had my mum and dad and Katie's mum and dad as well to help us out, because otherwise there's no way, there's no way we could have done it without them. So very grateful to have their help. Don't actually know exactly what I filmed yesterday. I think I did get some kind of, a bit of footage and stuff, hopefully. I think I might film a little bit more today though, because today is a productive day. I have the whole day off work, so I'm excited to just spend the day cleaning and organizing. You can probably see all of the boxes in the background. Our house is not ready. We've moved in our kitchen table that I'm sitting on. We've moved in like a mirror, some shelves, all the big things like the TV and couch and everything, and our beds, but like everything's still not organized. My bathroom's a mess, my wardrobe's a mess. I haven't cleaned upstairs yet. So I have a lot to do today. So I've started writing myself a to-do list of all the things I need to get done. I said in the first week, so they're not like essential things that need to be done, but I slowly want to make my way through this list. Hello everybody. I haven't filmed anything in the past few days. I had these huge plans to film the big moving day and like all that kind of stuff, and I did. I filmed a bit, but then it just got really overwhelming, and it's just been not a fun couple of days, but I'm feeling much better today. Still not 100%. I'm still a little bit like, I don't know, just overwhelmed is the word I'm using. I feel like nobody ever talks about this side of moving, especially if you're moving out for the first time. And both Katie and I were talking about this the other night and saying that we have never lived anywhere else. We both grew up in the same house with our families pretty much our whole lives. We've never moved. I know a lot of people have to move all the time for their family's work or, you know, lots of different reasons, but we've been really lucky and we've grown up in the same house for, you know, the past however many years. It's just a very stressful time in the world at the moment. It's a very stressful time for us. I feel like I'm rambling. I don't even know if this is going to make sense. I'm a positive person. I see the positive, I see the good in everything. But sometimes it's just not positive. It's not great. Life's hard. Things are difficult. They don't turn out the way you want them to. And I just wanted to address that. I'm still excited. I'm still, you know, we went plant shopping today, so it's really exciting. But emotions and stuff, you know. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. All I've been doing all night is cleaning. My mum came over to help me for a little bit, which is really nice. So I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry that this one wasn't, well, the end of this video wasn't very cheerful, but like I said, this is just realistic. This is just what I'm doing at the moment. I am going to start a new video probably tomorrow, hopefully showing another side of the move, and I'll be in a better mood.